Hi, hello and welcome! Before we start, I wanted to mention the sketchbook we're working in here. As you can see, I made it myself. The cover is just a piece of paper that I had lying around and I found really pretty. And then I made it out of some different colored papers with torn edges because I really love that look. And I love how you can see all the colors when we just keep this open. The first colored page we're painting on here is brown, and I really liked how the colors popped. The white behaved, well, probably the same as on every other colored paper, but now you were able to see it. And even the blues and yellows, they really popped. So what you see me painting here is a blue tit. Someone on Etsy actually asked me for a sticker from the blue tit, and I didn't have that one yet. So I tried painting it in a few different ways. First few were with watercolors, but I think that doesn't really suit my style at this moment, so I wanted to try it out with gouache and see how this will look. So yeah, I'm just trying it out here, seeing how it looks with gouache and if I can actually paint birds with gouache instead of watercolor. I'm really happy how the paper behaved. I wasn't sure about it before, and the size of the sketchbook is really nice as well, because this is just big enough. I don't want to paint any bigger. As you can see, I'm using a very big brush. I'm not even sure about the size. Let me see if I can find it. No, I believe it's a size 8, but I will pop it up on the screen if I'm right or not. It's a big brush in either way, and I'm doing work with big brushes in my sketchbook just so I don't see all those tiny lines anymore. I used to use very small brushes, but I grew a little bit tired of seeing all the tiny strokes, and I grew in love while I started painting landscapes. I fell in love with those big bold strokes, and you don't get those with tiny brushes. So I just wanted to work with a big brush. This brush has a very tiny point, so I can still do all the details. But yeah, it's a sketchbook, so I'm experimenting and I want to try a couple of different big brushes, maybe a flat brush. And for this one I started out with this brush. I think I use it the whole way through, but I do eventually go in with a tiny brush and some pencils, just to be fair. So yeah, I hope you're all doing well. I will let you enjoy the rest of this process in peace with some music, and thanks in advance for watching. It means the world to me. Thank you, goodbye.